Hello there and welcome back. If you're here, I'm sure that you've already discovered the secrets in generating traffic through the 60 modules that we've provided in this series. Throughout the modules, I've constantly emphasized on two different components as your traffic generator: paid traffic and free traffic. I'm also sure that many of you are wondering which is better. Which tactic should you go for to drive the most traffic to your purpose? Let's weigh your choices by listing out the pros and cons of both vehicles. There are always two sides of the story in anything that you choose. First, let's look into free traffic. As stated in the previous modules, free traffic is generated without you having to pay for it. It's entirely free, where this usually involves social media to an extent, SEOs, and forums. The first perk of the free traffic is it's obviously free. This means that you don't need to fork out your money to drive traffic to your site. All you need is good content and effective strategies to make it happen. This includes having a good SEO tactic on your site. Second, free traffic campaigns are less demanding. You usually apply the set it and forget it rule when you have launched your campaign. It doesn't need constant tracking, as you may leave your campaign to run for itself while you continue to enjoy your traffic flow. Third, the traffic flow is there for the long run, even when your campaign is ended. For instance, when you have a killer SEO campaign, your site will continue to appear at the top of the search results page. As a result, you'll still drive traffic to your site because of your site's ranking. However, there are some disadvantages to free traffic that you would want to take into account as well. First, free traffic may take up a lot of your time. For instance, you may have to come up with different strategies to generate likes for your Facebook page and directing them to your website. Cracking the code may take a while. Second, free traffic does not guarantee success. As it is free, you can't expect people to click on your page and view your offer if they choose not to. Now, let's discuss the pros and cons of paid traffic. Paid traffic works when you leverage off someone else, where you make payments to divert traffic to your site. The main advantage of paid traffic is you generate traffic almost instantly. Therefore, you're able to gain traffic by spending very little and also test running your campaign before you choose to expand your budget. Second, you can target your audience more specifically. For instance, with Google AdWords, you may choose a very specific keyword to describe your offer and to only drive your intended audience to your landing page. Third, paid traffic is scalable. You're able to identify what works and what doesn't. This can be observed through the amount you've spent in advertising your offer and the return in traffic. Therefore, it's easy for you to tweak your strategies. There are disadvantages to keep in mind when it comes to paid traffic, though. First, some spaces to advertise your offer may burn a hole in your pocket. If you've just started up your business, you may risk spending more than you can afford to generate your traffic. Second, you're depending on cash flow. Therefore, to run another set of adverts to generate traffic, you have to wait for your payout. As a result, your traffic is dependent on when you run your advertisements. Having listed out the pros and cons of both traffic sources, which one is best for your business or website? Well, before coming up with a decision, you need to understand that none is superior to the other, as each of them has their own ways to deliver traffic. There's no rule that says you can't do both. As investors and business owners, our main goal is to maximize the return on our investments and minimize the loss. For starters, it's best if you scale small by utilizing free traffic as your generator. When you have accumulated your budget, you can then test run your offer using paid traffic vehicles. Always remember, no traffic source is free. As content marketing takes time, you have to constantly tweak your strategies in both free and in paid traffic to generate your prospective clients.